Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the simplest, most natural way. There's no need to study grammar books or memorize long lists. Just listen carefully, watch the video several times, and you'll be surprised at how quickly you start to understand and speak English effortlessly. Today, we're going to talk about a hidden gem in the United States, the U.S. Virgin Islands, America's Caribbean paradise. Let's take a journey to these breathtaking islands and learn what makes them so special. The U.S. Virgin Islands are a group of tropical islands in the Caribbean Sea. The main islands are St. Thomas, St. John, and St. Croix. Even though they're far from the mainland, they are an official territory of the United States. The United States bought the Virgin Islands from Denmark in 1917 for $25 million in gold. This was during World War I, and the U.S. wanted to prevent other countries from controlling this strategic location in the Caribbean. Since then, they've been part of the U.S., and the people who live there are U.S. citizens. As a territory, the Virgin Islands share many things with the mainland United States. They use the U.S. dollar, follow U.S. federal law, and their citizens carry U.S. passports. However, just like in Puerto Rico, people living in the Virgin Islands cannot vote in presidential elections and do not have full representation in Congress. But let's talk about the culture. The U.S. Virgin Islands are rich in Caribbean traditions. The official language is English, but many people also speak Creole and Spanish. The culture is a beautiful mix of African, European, and Caribbean influences. You'll hear steel drum music, taste amazing island food, and see colorful festivals that celebrate the island's history and community. Tourism is one of the biggest parts of the economy. People from all over the world visit for the stunning beaches, warm weather, and crystal clear waters. It's a perfect destination for snorkeling, sailing, or simply relaxing by the ocean. Even though the Virgin Islands are part of the United States, they have their own local government and a unique identity. The people there are proud of their island heritage and blend American and Caribbean lifestyles in a truly special way. So next time you hear about the United States, remember, it's not just about the 50 states you see on a map. Places like the U.S. Virgin Islands are also part of the country, and they offer a completely different view of what it means to be American. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you found it interesting, be sure to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That follow-up is key to mastering both English and American culture. Don't forget to like and share this video to help us grow and keep bringing you better content. See you in the next adventure.